Morning students, welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, in this lecture we will do the revision of chapter number 8. So let's start with first question. Solve the following. A part is 18 decimal 3 plus bracket 17 decimal 5 minus 15 decimal 87. In the first step, we will solve this bracket. So, 17 decimal 5, 15 decimal 87 minus, here you will write 0. Now, 10, 3, then 6, 14, 6 minus 5, 1. Second step. In this step, we will add 18 decimal 3 with the result of this bracket. So, 18 decimal 3, 1 decimal 63. So in the result, you will write 19 decimal 93. Now come to the B part. 11 minus bracket 4 decimal 5 plus 5 decimal 3. First step, we will solve this bracket 4 decimal 5, 5 decimal 3 plus 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 5, 9. Second step. 11 minus result of this bracket. So 11 decimal 0, 9 decimal 8. Ten minus 8 will give you 2. Then decimal again. 10 minus 9, 1. So in the result, you will write 1 decimal 2. Come to the second question. What should be added to 9 decimal 107 to get 12 decimal 431? Let x be added to 9 decimal 107. In the next step, we will write like this: x plus 9 decimal 107 to get, means result is equal to 12 decimal 431. Now to find the value of this x, we will shift 9 decimal 107 to the right hand side. After shifting, plus will change to minus. So x is equal to 12 decimal 431 minus 9 decimal 107. And after subtraction, you will get 3 decimal 324. So result required number is equal to 3.324. Now come to the third question. Solve 3 tens plus 9 hundreds. 3 tens, 3 by 10 plus 9 hundreds, 9 by 100. After division you will get 0 decimal 3 and here you will get 0 decimal 09. Now add 0 decimal 3, 0 decimal 09 and you will get 0 decimal 39. Now come to the next question. Namita travels 20 kilometer 50 meter every day. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? So let's start. Total distance 20 kilometer 50 meter. Now this is 20 kilometer plus 50 meter. As we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. Now we will convert this meter to kilometer. So 50 divided by 1000 and you will get 0 decimal 050 kilometer and this 20 kilometer is written as 20 decimal 0 kilometer. Now add and after addition you will get 20 decimal 050 kilometer. This conversion is very important. You have to show this conversion in fair. Distance travels by bus 10 kilometer 200 meter. After conversion you will get 10 decimal 200 kilometer. Next is distance travels by auto. Total distance minus distance travels by bus. Total distance is 20 decimal 050 minus 10 decimal 200. Here kilometer. So this is the result 9.850. Come to the fifth sum. Write as fractions in lowest terms. A part is 0.75. Now to change this two fractions, we will remove this decimal. After decimal, we have two decimal places. So when you will remove this decimal, you will get 75 divided by 100. Now cancellation in the table of 5, 15, 20. So 15 by 20. Again cancellation by 5. So you will get 3 by 4. Come to the B part. 0.066. 3 decimal places. So you will get 66 divided by 1000. Cancellation by 2. So this is your result.